SenseFly, we've been helping professionals map more efficiently for almost a decade. We've done this by listening to our customers' needs, by understanding how they work, and then by transforming this feedback into accurate, reliable tools they can trust. Today, this experience gives birth to a groundbreaking new platform, the eBee. Built to boost the quality, efficiency and safety of your data collection, the eBee is the answer to all your mapping needs. Efficient and precise, the eBee is designed to meet every project's exacting requirements. Its BV loss-ready endurance extension unlocks industry-leading ground coverage, while the drone's high-precision on-demand feature helps you achieve absolute accuracy of down to 3 centimeters without GCPs. Thanks to its expanded family of cutting-edge cameras, the eBee can handle virtually every type of mapping or survey job. These include the SenseFly Soda 3D, a unique innovation that changes orientation during flight to capture 3 images rather than 1 for a significantly wider field of view. The result is stunning 3D reconstructions of vertical environments such as urban centers, open pit mines and coastlines. The new SenseFly Area X, meanwhile, is a compact photogrammetry powerhouse. Its smart exposure technology ensures stunning detail and clarity across a wide range of light conditions, meaning you can map for more hours each day. The Area X also includes direct in-flight georeferencing, which minimizes the image overlap required for greater flight coverage and quicker image processing. And with the SenseFly DuXT mapping rig, you can create high-resolution, geo-accurate thermal maps as and when required. The eBee is also backward compatible with SenseFly's Soda, Corridor and multispectral cameras. Last but not least, the eBee is rugged and reliable enough to work every site, no matter how challenging. Its new steep landing technology, for example, enables you to easily map complex sites in space-restricted locations. The eBee is also the most robust eBee ever produced. It just keeps on mapping, even after repeated landings on harsh terrain. And with its eMotion software's live air traffic option, you can improve operational security by instantly enhancing your airspace awareness. The result of all these innovations is simple: a major boost in the quality, efficiency and safety of your data collection, all backed by SenseFly's professional, localized support. eBee. Map without limits. Ask us about it today.